Hey everybody, Dr. Rick sitting up here about to run in the gym and just decided to pay a real quick tribute to remembering 9/11. No matter what you feel about this country, no matter what you feel about this government, that day more than 3,000 citizens, people just woke up that morning to go to work, lost their lives. Countless soldiers lost their lives afterwards fighting a senseless war. Millions were horrified. What was crazy about it for me is I was in the office when the news broke, and we kept the TV in the office, and so I'm sitting there and I'm looking at the TV and watching it all unfold after the first plane hit the building. So I'm literally sitting there when the second plane hits the building. And all the time this is going through my mind, the day before that Monday, which was a Monday, put my 18-year-old son on a plane to Camp Pendleton, Marine boot camp. And at that very moment while I'm watching that, I know that he's going to end up in harm's way because of what had took place. No matter how you shaped it up, it was already being called terrorism. And I saw it unfolding, and I knew at that moment. And that's the memory I have of it, is wondering how many people died when those buildings collapsed, how many people were on those airplanes. Initially didn't know about the plane that hit the Pentagon, but knew that something terrible had happened that I had never seen in my lifetime in the United States. You hear about crazy things happening, but it had never happened on U.S. soil, not at that magnitude. You know, and I mean, we had the Oklahoma City bombing, I think, which was probably the worst, and that was still domestic terrorism. And, you know, we can get into all the conspiracy theories. This is not what this is about. This is about the people who lost their lives, about what changed so much of how we look, about the people who got on planes like they did on a regular basis, not knowing that that was their last flight, and that what would happen on that plane would go down in infamy. You know, what I would like for you to do is just stop in and weigh in on your memory. If you were alive, old enough to remember 9/11, 2001, 20 years ago, put it in the comments where you were, what happened, what you were doing, what was going through your mind. Much love and respect and prayer go out to the families of those who lost loved ones that day and subsequent to that due to those actions. On that note, I'm out of here. You guys have an unbelievable day.